Welcome back, coffee lovers. Today, we're turning a classic Southern dessert into a warm and comforting pecan pie latte. This delicious drink combines bold espresso, creamy milk, toasted pecans, brown sugar, and cozy spices. It's perfect for chilly mornings, holiday gatherings, or whenever you're craving dessert in a mug. Ingredients: 2 shots espresso or cup-strong brewed coffee, 1 cup milk of your choice, 1 tablespoons brown sugar, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, 1 tablespoon finely chopped toasted pecans, for teaspoon vanilla extract, teaspoon ground cinnamon, pinch of ground nutmeg, pinch of salt, whipped cream, optional, chopped pecans and caramel sauce. For garnish directions, begin by preparing 2 shots of espresso or brewing half a cup of strong coffee. Pour the coffee into a large serving mug and set it aside. Add the milk, brown sugar, maple syrup, toasted pecans, vanilla extract, cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt to a small saucepan. Warm the mixture over medium-low heat, stirring frequently until the sugar dissolves and the milk is steaming. Do not allow it to boil. Remove the saucepan from the heat. For a smoother latte, strain the milk mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove the pecan pieces. Froth the flavored milk using a handheld frother, whisk, or blender until it becomes light and foamy. Slowly pour the warm pecan milk over the prepared espresso, holding back some foam with a spoon. Stir gently to blend the sweet, nutty flavors, then spoon the remaining foam over the top. Finish your latte with whipped cream, a drizzle of caramel sauce, and a sprinkle of chopped toasted pecans. Serve immediately and enjoy the comforting flavor of homemade pecan pie in every creamy sip. Thanks for joining me to make this cozy pecan pie latte. If you enjoyed this sweet and nutty coffee recipe, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Tell me your favorite pie-inspired drink in the comments, and I'll see you in the next delicious coffee video. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com, 3coffeelover.